Hi dear students, today we are going to discuss a very new topic, that is resilience. Resilience का हिंदी मीनिंग होता है मीन्स लचीलापन या फिर फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी. द सिनोनिम ऑफ रेजिलियंस इज फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी, यानी कि टू मोल्ड आवरसेल्व्स अकॉर्डिंग टू द सर्कमस्टेंसेस अवेलेबल टू अस. What resilience is, that we are going to discuss. Actually, resilience is the capacity or ability to recover and rebound from challenges and setbacks. Setbacks का मतलब भी difficulties होता है. तो to the ability how to recover and how to rebound from challenges and setbacks, how to recover the challenges, how to fight against the challenges, and how to rebound ourselves after coming out from the challenges. In other words, we can say resilience means to understand the logic that life is not a bed of roses, but it is full of challenges. Life never had been a bed of roses, but it had always a name of challenges. So to understand and know the fact that life is full of challenges, full of difficulties, full of hardships, full of setbacks, that is called resilience. While we can't avoid many of the problems that occur in our day-to-day life, in that circumstances, to remain open, to just be flexible, to accept the challenges, and to be willing to adapt the change according to the circumstances available is resilience. Means in the circumstances that we can't avoid, in the problems, the very problems that we can't avoid, that usually occur in life, in that circumstances, if the person is remaining open to accept the challenges, remaining open what is happening around him, to be flexible, to change himself according to the circumstances available, and to be willing to be means strictly to be focused, to be interested, to adapt to the changes available in his surrounding is resilience. Hence we can say in a very simple words ki resilience is to face difficulties bravely and tactfully, rather than surrounding ourselves to despair and frustration in the difficulties, in the difficult moments, or to use unfair practices, is what we call resilience. तो resilience क्या है? Difficulties को bravely और tactfully face करना, rather than surrendering ourselves to despair and frustration, and rather than using unfair practices, that is called resilience. Now we will proceed forward. What are the ways to develop resilience? The first way is you should have a strong emotional control onto your emotional outburst, and you have to learn to manage your reactions, especially in the time of adversities, in a positive manner. Means whenever there are adverse time to you, whenever unfavorable time comes to you, you have to show your emotional strength, and you have to learn how to manage your reactions in a positive manner. So learn to manage your actions and reaction in a positive manner, yani ki react and act positively, and have a strong grip on your emotional outburst. Secondly, we should take personal responsibility. See, sometimes what happens ki we try to make excuses ki this adversity comes to us just because of that reason, just because of this reason. So instead of making excuses and pretenses, we have to take personal responsibility, and we have to avoid cultivating a victim mentality. Victim mentality का मतलब है दूसरों को दोषी ठहराना, to blame others for what is happening with us. So we have to take personal responsibility. We are responsible for what is happening to us, and we have to avoid cultivating a victim mentality. Victim mentality को cultivate करने से रोकना है. Whatever is happening to us, that is just because of some or the other reason of some of the other reason of ours, and nobody else is responsible for our grievances, for our pains, for our problems. Instead of being pessimistic, we have to be optimistic, we have to be positive, and we have to keep our mind open and flexible to take up the challenges. Next, we have to believe in our ability, we have to believe in our capacity, and we should have strong faith in our personality that we can overcome all type of adversities and we will bounce back from the crisis that we come across with, that we encounter with. Next and the last, we have to learn from every experiences, from others, from ourselves only, and we have to assure ourselves to turn into each problem into an opportunity. हर प्रॉब्लम को अपॉर्चुनिटी में टर्न करना ये बहुत बड़ी आपकी एक गट्स है. तो यू हैव टू लर्न फ्रॉम द एक्सपीरियंसेस ऑफ अदर्स, फ्रॉम योर ओन एक्सपीरियंसेस, एंड you should have enough guts to turn every problem into an opportunity. Now the question arises, what is the role of flexibility in developing resilience? See, the more flexible we will be, the more there are chances for us to be adaptable in the given circumstances, in the circumstances that are available to us, in the circumstances that we have to come across with. By learning how to be adaptable, we have to we will be much more equipped to adversity or to any crisis what we experience. And resilient people often use difficult events as an opportunity. Means flexibility gives us capacity or ability to turn each and every opposite circumstances as an opportunity. And instead of feeling fear, if we are flexible, we can be able to turn every पेबल टू अस इनटू ए माइलस्टोन. जो पत्थर हम पर फेंका गया है उसे हम मील का पत्थर बना सकते हैं अगर हम फ्लेक्सिबल हैं. तो यहाँ पर फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी इस तरह से हमारी हेल्प करेगी कि द मोर फ्लेक्सिबल वी विल बी, द मोर वी विल बी एबल टू मोल्ड every difficulty into an opportunity.